East Kentucky Railfan back with another video. Back on the Big Sandy, right about milepost 70, where the freeze-thaw cycle has played havoc on the line, and currently a rock slide has suspended service as the line is blocked here at this milepost. I was able to get the drone in the air to get you all some shots. Fairly large rock fell off, went all the way into the river. Luckily, the slide was found, and traffic on the line was stopped before this became a much bigger issue for the railroad.